####, transform your home and your life. Banish debt and bad luck forever. Imagine a life free from debt and bad luck, where your dreams of financial freedom and a fulfilling existence become reality. Today, I will share 3 powerful techniques that not only increase your income, but also protect your home and enhance your financial health. Since ancient times, biblical wisdom has taught us that abundance, prosperity, health, and love should be our natural state. Scarcity and negativity are conscious choices we make. However, reality often doesn't align with this ideal, and various forms of evil manifest around us. We cannot be passive observers. The key to achieving the abundant life we desire lies in our hands through the power of choice. By cultivating positivity and warding off negativity, we can reprogram our destiny and build the prosperous life we've always wanted. Evil is not our destiny. It is the result of limiting beliefs and thoughts that imbue our lives with scarcity. The great news is that you have the power to break free from this conditioning. At the core of manifesting abundance lies one of the most fundamental universal laws, the law of vibration. This ancient principle states that everything in the cosmos, from the smallest particle to the vastest celestial body, vibrates at a specific frequency. From the earliest teachings, we know there is a fundamental law that governs the interaction between all things, the law of vibration. This law states that everything vibrates at a specific frequency, and like energies attract while different ones repel. The law of attraction teaches that we draw into our lives what vibrates at the same frequency as us. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs create vibrations that attract corresponding experiences and events. To attract abundance, we must raise our vibration to align with the frequency of prosperity. Negative emotions like fear, doubt, envy, and insecurity create low vibrations that repel wealth, while positive emotions like gratitude, hope, and confidence emit the vibration of abundance. One of the biggest obstacles to embodying the vibration of abundance is getting trapped in the cycle of scarcity. It's an insidious pattern that keeps us stuck in a state of lack, limitation, and negativity. This cycle begins with thoughts and beliefs rooted in scarcity. There's never enough. Money doesn't grow on trees. The rich get richer while the poor get poorer. These mental patterns then breed emotions like fear, anxiety, and envy towards others' success, creating a pervasive sense of lack. As you've learned, these low vibration emotions repel abundance and attract more lack into your experience, creating a self-perpetuating cycle of negativity and scarcity. But you have the power to break free. The key lies in consciously choosing which vibrations you feed. Those of lack and limitation, or those of gratitude, optimism, and unbounded potential. By deliberately nurturing positive thoughts and emotions, even in the face of seemingly limited circumstances, you begin building a new cycle, a positive upward spiral. Start by actively appreciating the good that already exists in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude raises your vibration and creates a state of abundance consciousness. From this higher frequency, you naturally attract more reasons to feel grateful, more positive experiences and opportunities. As you continue focusing on this upward trajectory of positivity, your outer reality reorganizes to catch up with your energetic vibration of prosperity. It's a virtuous cycle that reinforces itself. Positive thoughts and emotions lead to experiences of abundance, which generate more positive mind states, attracting even greater prosperity. This upward spiral has no ceiling. It's a continuous expansion into higher and higher levels of wealth, fulfillment, and infinite possibilities. Drawing from the ancient wisdom of multiple cultures, we will combine 2 powerful natural allies to attract prosperity while shielding against negativity: the clove bud and the sword of St. George plant. For centuries, cloves have been revered as symbols of wealth and good fortune across civilizations. Beneath their rich aroma lie potent energetic properties that help create an environment favorable for manifesting abundance. But cloves aren't merely symbolic. They contain compounds like eugenol that have demonstrable effects, such as stimulating circulation, clearing stagnant energy, and uplifting the mind and spirit, making them the perfect catalytic force for your prosperous intentions. Our other ally is the sword of St. George plant, also known as the snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. With its upright, sturdy leaves resembling blades, it has developed a cross-cultural reputation as a powerful guardian against negativity and envy that could sabotage your prosperity. This plant's hardy, resilient nature allows it to thrive in virtually any environment, symbolizing your ability to rise above adversity on your path to success. Its roots draw in nourishing earth energies, while its leaves purify the atmosphere, cultivating harmonious vibrations in your living spaces. By uniting these two botanical forces in a simple yet highly resonant ritual, you establish a unified field of energetic support for attracting and anchoring abundance. The process is straightforward yet profound. Carefully plant 3 clove buds, representing the fertile seed state of your desires, in the soil of your sword of St. George plant. As these potent buds germinate and put down roots, they become one with the plant's protective energies. Place this botanical ally prominently at the entrance of your home, office, or sacred space. It now stands guard, shielding you from negativity that could block the flow of prosperity, while simultaneously magnetizing financial opportunities, creative inspirations, and interpersonal connections that elevate your wealth and fulfill your grandest visions. Now that you've set the vibrational foundation with the guardians of abundance on duty, it's time to amplify the existing flow of money energy already present in your life. The concept is simple yet powerful. You'll strategically place 3 clove buds within close proximity to your current savings, catalyzing that money's vibration to effortlessly multiply itself. Whether you keep cash tucked away in a box, envelope, or drawer, or prefer digital savings accounts, this ritual will exponentially expand that initial seed of prosperity. The cloves act like energetic amplifiers, attracting and harmonizing surrounding abundance vibrations. As you carefully position the 3 clove buds around your savings, let each one represent a specific intention for your money's increase and vitality. See it growing in multitude, effortlessly compounding without strain or struggle on your part. Envision it being put towards your greatest dreams, whether providing financial freedom for your family, funding philanthropic causes, or allowing you to finally live your life's passion. These 3 potent buds become energetic resonators, broadcasting your empowered intentions into the infinite fields of potential, beckoning the forces of creation to begin orchestrating an abundant flow back to you. But their function is not only to attract. The cloves also help purify and harmonize the existing energy surrounding your money. By releasing their natural compounds into the atmosphere, any stagnant vibrations of lack, fear, or mental obstructions around your prosperity clear away, allowing wealth to flow freely. As the intoxicating aroma of the cloves perpetually refreshes this energy field, your consciousness remains focused in an abundance mindset. You exude the calm certainty of a prosperous being, which only heightens the process of attracting more financial resources effortlessly into your experience. While the clove buds and sword of St. George plant establish an energetic vortex of abundance in your home, it's also vital to carry that resonance with you wherever you go. This ensures prosperity vibrations continually radiate from your field, allowing you to effortlessly magnetize financial flow in every area of your life. For this, we'll create a powerful personal talisman, a prosperity amulet that serves as a portable abundance magnet and manifestation anchor. To craft this talisman, you'll need a small fabric pouch or coin purse, preferably in the color yellow or gold to amplify prosperous energies. Avoid black, which can absorb heavier, denser vibrations. Next, you'll charge the pouch with a financial seed. This can be a current bill or coin from everyday circulation, representing your money's dynamic creative force. Avoid any outdated or commemorative currency, as this stagnant energy fails to activate prosperity. Finally, add 3 whole clove buds, picked carefully while focusing your intention for their inclusion in this sacred talisman. These clove allies harmonize the vibration between you and your financial seed, while also shielding both from any nihilistic pattern of lack permeating collective consciousness. With your pouch prepared, take a moment to seal it with a focused intention, visualizing it radiating a powerful resonance that summons an infinite upward spiral of prosperity into your life. State an affirmation to catalyze its purpose, such as, "This amulet is a magnet attracting the universe's generous flow of abundance directly into my experience." From the moment it's complete, wear or carry this talisman proudly as a spiritual anchor for your highest financial aims. Each time you see or touch it, let it solidify your resonance as a prosperous being, attracting unlimited wealth from all directions. Let the fragrance of the cloves remind you that money is continually multiplying its way towards you, coming through both expected and surprising channels as a cosmic reflection of your vibration. When unhelpful thoughts of scarcity or struggle arise, use the amulet's presence to realign with an abundance mindset. Keep this sacred tool on your person wherever your journey leads. At home, work, out in the world, and even in your sanctuary for spiritual practice. Let your amulet's presence magnetize lucrative opportunities, accelerated income streams, free-flowing profits, and relationships that elevate your life's prosperity in every way. Now we come to an ancient mystical ritual handed down through generations. The art of harnessing the moon's profound celestial energies to manifest your heartfelt desires into material reality. Our cosmic companion, the moon, has been revered across all cultures for its life-giving, intuition-enhancing, abundance-attracting influences. By aligning our intentions and practices with the moon's cyclical rhythms, we can exponentially leverage its metaphysical powers. For this ritual, you'll create a manifesting elixir by combining the purified vibrations of specific elements and charging them under the moon's archetypal energetic imprints. The best times to perform this ritual are during the waxing or full moon phases when lunar forces are amplifying light, life, and generative growth. You'll need a clear glass for viewing the moon's rays, pure source water to contain the recipe, and 3 whole clove buds. Begin by filling the glass with fresh water from a natural spring. As you add the first clove, emphatically declare your intention. "I am fortune. Abundance comes to me." Let these words emanate from your core while visualizing a free flow of prosperity heading your way, multiplying in all areas of your life. Next, place the second clove and affirm with heart-filled conviction, "I am love." Feel the resonance of unconditional love blossoming within, enriching your closest bonds and relationships, while also attracting new harmonious connections. An aura of peace and abundance radiates from your being. For the final clove, proclaim with fullness, "I am an unlimited being of health on all levels, physical, mental, spiritual." Flood yourself with vibrant vitality flowing to every cell, organ, and energetic field. This wholeness and radiant wellness will become a magnet for all your dreams. With your elixir charged under the moon's beams, move it to a place of power overnight, such as your sacred altar or bedside, to infuse the essence with your subconscious mind's focused intention. For maximum efficacy, renew your elixir weekly by repeating the ritual and offering gratitude to nature by pouring out the old water at the base of a thriving tree or plant. This ceremony anchors the manifestation process profoundly into the earth plane. As the moon cycles continue renewing and activating this potent lunar elixir, its reverberating vibrations will create an energetic field primed for blossoming your full abundant existence into form. True abundance goes beyond just financial wealth. It's about embracing the fullness of life itself through enriching relationships, radiant health, and the continual unfoldment of your highest callings. By aligning with the frequency of gratitude, love, and limitless possibilities, you become a magnet for overflowing prosperity. Keep putting these powerful vibrational practices into action with unwavering faith. You are a co-creator, able to reshape your reality into greater expressions of your infinite potential. Subscribe to this channel for more wisdom to unlock the abundant life that is your divine birthright. Share your manifestation experiences below, and let's inspire each other to ever higher levels of vibrant living. Until next time, keep elevating your frequency and claiming the prosperity that awaits with open arms. Abundance is your natural state. Embrace it fully.